Today, work is changing fast. Artificial intelligence is no longer a preview. It is the main event. Big companies are reorganizing around AI because it lets them move faster, spend less, and produce more. That pressure is spreading across every industry and every role. This is not later. This is now. People feel the ground shift. Office roles that once felt safe are suddenly on watch. Managers are rewriting teams. New tools, draft emails, write code, cut videos, and analyze data in minutes. The old pace cannot compete with the new pace. The question is not if. The question is how you respond. Here is the reality. You cannot outwork a machine. It does not sleep, it does not get bored, and it never stops learning. But you can outthink it. You can steer it. You can build systems where AI handles the repetitive work, while you focus on judgment, story, design, and results. Leaders across tech say this wave rivals the internet. Last time, machines replaced muscle. This time, software replaces routine thinking. Drafting, editing, summarizing, scheduling, routing, forecasting. Tasks that took a team now. Take a single person who knows how to drive AI. If you are a student, a creator, a business owner, or part of a small team, AI is leverage. It multiplies your output. One tool turns research into outlines. Another turns outlines into scripts. Another turns scripts into videos. Speed becomes your edge if you choose to develop it. If you wait, you risk falling behind. If you learn, you move ahead. Start by mapping your work. Circle the parts that repeat. Hand those to AI. Keep the parts that require taste, context, and trust. That is how you protect your value while raising your ceiling. In media, AI drafts and fact-checks. In law, it scans and summarizes. In health, it flags patterns earlier. In logistics, it optimizes routes and inventory. Different fields, same direction. The tools are spreading because results are better, cheaper, and faster. This shift is not about fear. It is about fluency. The person who knows how to use AI has an unfair advantage. They deliver more in less time. They turn ideas into shipped work before others finish a meeting. That is why teams are hiring for skills and speed. Your move is simple. Practice daily. Write prompts that are clear and specific. Compare outputs. Correct mistakes. Build a repeatable workflow. Document what works. The habit of iteration turns AI from a demo into a dependable partner you can trust under pressure. Communication matters. Say how you use AI to deliver outcomes. Show examples. I streamlined support, reduced edit time, improved conversion, increased reach. Results win when you lead projects with AI. If you run a business, set an AI plan now. Pick one pain point and automate it. Scale what works. Train your team. Track savings and lift. The compounding effect is real. Every automated process frees time for sales, service, and creative growth. Some jobs will shrink. New ones will appear. The safest place is motion. Keep learning, keep shipping, keep improving your stack. Curiosity is insurance. Denial is risk. The market rewards people who turn change into momentum. This is not the end of human work. It is a redesign. Tools extend your reach the way electricity extended light. You bring insight, taste, ethics, and story. AI brings speed, recall, and scale. Together they create outcomes neither could reach alone. The decision is in front of you. Let AI happen to you, or make AI work for you. Start small, build confidence. Stack wins. The future of work favors the builder who learns faster than the world changes.